another major issue that people or general the crowd has, that these are harmless trays. It is not so. Unfortunately, a poorly planned treatment can lead to a lot of troubles. I have seen so many patients with loose teeth, improper bite. They have trouble chewing properly. The joints have pain or some issues related to joints are often encountered if not done properly. So your proper planning is required. It's just not wearing the aligners and you just get miraculous outcome. It does not happen that way. So if not done properly, you have to go for a retreatment. Many cases are coming for retreatments nowadays, and I treat a lot of those cases where the treatment has not been done properly. So what is the outcome? You have to go for the treatment second time, all those troubles again. You end up paying extra money for that because the second time again you have to pay for the treatment you are getting it done. So it's really important to select your orthodontist and your doctor properly for getting an orthodontist managed Invisalign treatment.